Dr. Jennifer Lee. I'm a graduate of Harvard Medical School, board-certified dermatologist, medical director at Ren Dermatology, and skincare advocate. My passion is your skin. I run a busy dermatology practice, and I see a variety of skin concerns every day. But what we all want most is to keep our skin looking healthy and beautiful. And we can all take action towards that. Avoid too much sun exposure, sleep and eat well, and invest in quality skincare. This is why I am so excited to be partnering with USANA and the Celavive skincare line. I get asked to associate myself with different projects and companies, but it was Celavive that really stood out to me for a variety of reasons. One of the most important being USANA's commitment to science and research. The other, Celavive's unique cell signaling complex that supports your body's natural preservation of beauty. To have products that not only utilize this advanced technology, but also are formulated with a multitude of other incredible skincare ingredients is a dermatologist's dream. And most of all, the results we're seeing with Celavive are incredible. So let's talk skin. This beautiful shield is the body's largest organ. It is designed to protect our entire body from the often harsh environment. With all the elements at play, the sun, toxins, allergens, pollutants, gravity, and age, your skin takes a beating. And the effects are all too visible, showing up as wrinkles, lines, dark spots, discoloration, and an overall lack of luster. But we can help our bodies fight back and keep our skin looking youthful and beautiful longer. To understand how to do that, let's look at how the skin works and see what's happening below the surface. The skin is made up of billions of cells divided into 3 layers: the epidermis, the dermis, and the subcutaneous layer. They each have different responsibilities, and they also work together. Starting with the deepest levels, the dermis is a matrix of collagen, elastin, and fat cells that form the supple foundation of beautiful skin. The fat cells insulate the body and give the skin its toned and plumped appearance. Elastin and collagen work in tandem to give skin its shape, firmness, and youthful appearance. This is where water is stored, and the dermis depends on the top layer, the epidermis, to keep pollutants out and hydration in. It is in the epidermis where skincare products fight the beautiful skin battle. This is one of the reasons Celavive is so effective, because of its power to help your skin stay hydrated. The top layer of the epidermis is made up of millions of cells, packed together by proteins and lipids, almost like a glue. This soft, flexible skin barrier is vital in the fight against visible premature skin aging. More importantly, a healthy skin barrier is watertight. This is essential for long-lasting beauty because when our skin is hydrated, it gets plumped up from the inside, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The bottom layers of the epidermis are where we find the basal keratinocytes. These hard-working cells are the communication hub for our skin's natural beauty-preserving functions. They are designed with receptors inside and out that respond to biochemical signals received from the environment and from our own bodies. These signals and responses are what activate our body's natural defense against the appearance of aging. Our skin cells are in constant communication. Healthy communication means healthy-looking skin. But this communication slows down over time due to the natural aging process and the normal wear and tear from our daily exposure to the environment. Some of our most important cell signaling receptors disappear over time. This is why we see wrinkles, uneven skin tone, dryness, and other visible signs of aging. When the communication slows, the skin cells are not creating as many of the materials they used to. They are slower to respond to our needs. Our barrier breaks down, the matrix sags, and we literally see the results on our faces. One way to think about it is that our cells already know what they need to do. Sometimes they just need a reminder to actually do it. And that is why cellular communication is key to beautiful skin. Celavive uses USANA intelligence technology to tap into that cellular communication to speak the same language as our cells. That is why it is so effective in USANA's nutritional products and now in its skincare line. When you use Celavive products powered by intelligence, you are having a conversation with your skin and reminding it to look amazing again. The Celavive Cell Signaling Complex is a unique combination of botanical nutrients and bioactive peptides that talk to your skin cells to target your unique beauty needs. Specifically, Celavive helps support effective cell function of beautifying lipids and proteins to form that healthy-looking skin barrier and radiant complexion. Some of the proteins and lipids created by the keratinocytes also protect against the breakdown of the collagen and elastin matrix that cushions your skin for a firm, supple, hydrated appearance. In addition to the cell signaling complex, Celavive also has many other advanced ingredients and carefully designed formulations. Celavive products contain the new Olivol Botanical Blend, which combines lentil, apple, and watermelon fruit extracts with USANA's own patented antioxidant powerhouse, Olivol. The Olivol Botanical Blend delivers immediate and long-lasting hydration. The combination of nutrient-rich botanicals cool and rehydrate skin to restore a glowing, healthy complexion. It supports enhanced moisturization at the cellular level. The proven results of the 3 plant extracts in the Olivol Botanical Blend are 24 hours of rich skin hydration with only 1 application, visible reductions in the appearance of fine lines after just 2 hours, and a 40% increase in cell membrane fluidity. Celavive skincare goes so much further than just adding moisturizers and nutrients from the outside in. With no harsh chemicals, Celavive's formulations tap into your skin's communication system to truly enhance your body's own beautifying processes that are responsible for that soft, smooth, supple, and most importantly, healthy-looking skin.
Hello everyone. I heard that a lot of people nowadays don't know what to do when they urgently need money, but today I'm delighted to learn about the
With the same vision, dedication, and expertise it puts into its supplements, USANA has spent years researching and developing the Celavive skincare line. Celavive has been studied extensively, and the results speak for themselves, such as a 75% increase in hydration levels in 30 minutes, and 70% less water escaping from the skin in 30 minutes. Other studies show skin elasticity doubling in 3 hours to improve the look of smooth, firm skin. And a significant visible reduction of the appearance of crow's feet was seen after 2 weeks. Each product in the Celavive line is designed to address your individual skin concerns and to combat the most frustrating visible signs of aging. We all need a
Hello, everyone. Beautiful evening and of course, beautiful morning and afternoon sa ating mga international associates. Ayan. So, hello, everyone. Can you type in the chat box one word to describe your Monday? Ayan. Happy Monday sa lahat. And grabe, syempre, we are on our usual Monday habit. So, we will be having still our core edge night, di ba? Kahit na holiday feels na and we have a lot of meetups here and there, di ba? May mga reunions. So, that's a really great opportunity to meet your prospects as well or to bridge USANA to them, di ba? But of course, bago yun, kailangan we still allot, di ba, time for our business. Okay? Can you type in the chat box, negosyante ako. Ayan. So, para talagang ma-embrace natin na negosyante talaga tayo. Kaya kailangan hindi na puputol ang business. Di ba? Tuloy-tuloy talaga tayo. Ayan. So, hello everyone. So, I am your host for tonight's Core Edge Night. I'm Lyra and I'm one of the directors in the team. So, blessed and grateful ang Tita Nancy all the way from Italy. Ang fresh. Ay, thank you po. Blessed. Ayan, grabe. Blessed Monday talaga. Chilly Monday. Oo nga, medyo maulan no dito sa atin sa Metro Manila. Ayan. So, dumadami na tayo. But guys, I want you to call in your associates, no? Yung left and right mo, even your users, di ba? Your preferred customers, make them plug in on our Core Edge Night. Kasi this is a very special session tonight, no? Wherein we will be discovering, okay, ang ating bagong addition sa line ng products ng Usana here in the Philippines, our Celavive Resurfacing Serum, and of course, we have invited our Usana corporate team, no, to share this amazing, incredible product, di ba, para sa atin. And we will definitely maximize, no, etong opportunity na to share Celavive line by next year kasi a lot of people right now, no, at different ages, meron talaga tayong market for the skincare. And with the Celavive Resurfacing Serum, no, sobrang nakaka-excite kasi narinig ko, ayan na, 24 hours lang, in just one application, meron na talagang visible result, diba? So kung ganyan katindi yung promise ng product natin, ako mismo excited na ako matry. Kasi na-try ko na lahat ng line ng Celavive natin eh. Except yung pang dry skin. Kasi oily combination yung skin type ko. Ayan. And then our brightening series, I've also tried that. So I am very much excited for our newest product ng Celavive. Ayan. So guys, while you are messaging no your preferred customers, your associates, ayan, pa-order. Wala pa sa Italia, Tita Nancy. Ayan, so order muna. Okay, ayan. And sige, remind mo ako mamaya, Tita Nancy. Kasi kailangan natin yan. Bubuo tayo ng ng orders, okay? Pre-orders ito. Ayan. Kasi magkakaroon ng early purchase this December. So mamaya our corporate team will discuss all of these. So guys, we are 16 in the room. Call in your associates, your teammates, your cross lines. Lahat na wala pa dito, nakilala mo, okay, na part ng team natin. So call them in. Ayan, message them. So while waiting for other participants, may I know saan magki-Christmas ang sangkatauhan sa Core Edge? Saan po kayo? Saan ba kayo magki-Christmas? Are you going home to your provinces o dito lang rin sa Metro Manila? Or kung nasaan man kayong sulok ng mundo. Kasi we have our newest gold director in the team, di ba? Si Tita Fina and Tito Joseph, no, all the way from the US of A. International talaga ang reach natin. Ayan, saan magpapasko ang lahat? Dito po ba kayo in the Philippines? Our very own mentor ngayon nasa boarding gate na. Lilipad na yan maya-maya. Grabe, yan yung lifestyle na gusto natin, di ba? Yung pwede kang lumipad anytime, di ba? Sa gustong mag-celebrate ng Christmas. O, ayan, o, di ba? Pretty. Hi, Mentor Mads. Nasa boarding gate na siya, pa-US, ayan. See you in January, Mentor Mads. Safe travels po. Ayan, grabe talaga, lifestyle ng mentor natin, ano? Ganun-ganun na lang. Ayan. Ay, wow. Noche Buena sa Sri Lankan resto. Wow. Siyempre, si Tito para kay Tito Sarat. Ayan. Philippines. Si, Coach Lina. Siyempre, di ba? Magkakasama tayo dyan. Ayan. So guys, again, I want you to call in yung mga associates ninyo, users, no? Kasi sayang if you're not able to invite them, tapos grabe yung makukuha natin na input, no, later from our corporate team. Diba? So, if ikaw, after the Core Edge Night, after this meeting, sold ka na parang, oh my God, grabe, excited na ako talaga to share our newest product, yung Sana Celavive Resurfacing Serum, diba? Kaso ikaw lang yung naka-attend. Sayang, sana 2 kayo, 3 kayo, di ba? Kasama na yung associates mo na you're able to make them plug in tonight. Di ba? Ayan. So, ayan, nadagdagan na tayo. 17 na tayo. So, 17 million in the room. And syempre, we want to start, no, on time naman talaga. So, while they are still coming in, no, the rest of our team, let me share with you, okay, our rank advancement. I'm not sure if she's here. I think wala pa. Mukhang wala pa. Ayan, so hold on. Ayan. Okay. So, our newest sharers. So, ano ba itong mga sharers, no? So, to those who are new in the business, if you are a few weeks in the business and first time mo itong marinig, or if eto medyo matindi to ha, kapag ilang months ka na in the business and first time mo ito marinig, okay? So, listen very carefully. So, ang sharers, no, these are people who are able to hit their very first milestone in the business, which is earning $50 in a week. Okay? So, $50 sa isang linggo. Okay? So, diyan nagsisimula ang pagkuha ng mga next level of rank advancements and next level of income, di ba? Like $100 for believers and $200 for builders, $400 for achievers. So, lahat dito nagsisimula. Alright? Pero if you are someone extra, di ba, and you wanted to start right away na $100 na, why not? Okay? But let us congratulate our newest sharer in our team, Miss Joy Apostol. So, I think wala si Joy. Tama ba? Ayan, wala pa nga. Okay, so later if she's here, we will recognize her again. Ayan, so type in the chat box. Ayan, tama. Congrats. Ayan, congratulations to Joy. And syempre, hindi na natin ito patatagalin, guys. I know lahat tayo, no, very importante ang oras sa atin kasi at least after this Core Edge Night, we would still be able to promote, di ba, itong ating bagong product. So, we can still maximize, okay, the remaining, okay, na oras sa araw na ito, okay? If you're here in the Philippines, syempre gabi na, di ba? So, kailangan maging wais tayo sa oras. So, let's start our Core Edge Night, no? And let me introduce our speakers for tonight. Okay, none other than, of course, coming in from our corporate office na talagang sobrang sisipag, sobrang generous, sobrang supportive, no, sa growth ng associates, and they are really present, diba, whenever you need them. Let us call on and let us welcome our corporate pharmacist, Sir James Lariosa, and of course, our Luzon sales manager, Miss Justine Bitancor. So, hello, from Team Core Edge. Thank you so much for being with us tonight.
Hello.
Ayan. Hi, Sir James. Thank you so much for being with us. And the floor is yours, Sir James. Thank you.
Hello, good evening, Core Edge. Hello, naririnig ba ako? Malinaw naman.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, parang hindi yata makaka-join si Ma'am Justine, no? Tama, kasi parang may biglaan yata siyang gagawin. Ayan. So, allow me to share my screen po. Ayan, kita na po yung screen.
Yes, sir. All good.
And hello, Core Edge again. Good evening. No, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin and sa mga first time akong makita, di ba? I am James Salarioza, no, one of the corporate pharmacists no, sa USANA Philippines na nakabase sa Makati office. No? I am a registered pharmacist and this year, no, nung March, kakagraduate ko lang nung aking master's in Public Health Administration. And currently, I am taking my doctorate degree in International Healthcare System. No? And if you have request ng Wednesday, most probably baka hindi natin ma-accept because Wednesday po is my class talaga ako sa aking PhD. Yan. FYI lang. FYI lang. No? So ayan, discuss lang natin no since isang product lang naman to but ilo-launch to nung this coming January 6. Na-discuss lang natin briefly kung ano bang meron sa ating USANA Celavive Resurfacing Serum. Discuss lang natin kung para saan ba yung resurfacing serum and kung ano ba yung advantage ng ating resurfacing serum compare with the other available product no, na meron sa market. No, ano ba yung 4 key ingredients niyan no, and what are the advantage ng 4 key ingredients na yan sa mga high-end product no, when it comes sa skincare product na sinasabi natin. No? So ayan. But before tayo magpunta doon sa mismong product, no? Discuss lang natin bakit ba tayo nagkakaroon ng dark pigments, no? Bakit dumadami yung dark pigments, no? Bakit nagiging uneven yung color ng ating skin, no? It is because of the melanin na tinatawag natin. Melanin or yung melanocytes or yung ating skin cells na tinatawag, no? Siya kasi yung nagbibigay nung color doon sa ating skin. Siya yung nagbibigay ng dark color or ng dark pigmentation doon sa ating skin. No? Yung melanin or yung melanocytes. Though, melanin naman is harmless, no? Wala naman siyang ginagawang masama sa katawan natin. No? It also nga protects pa no? Yung ating skin by absorbing yung UV rays no? Or yung sunlight. No? Siya yung nag-a-absorb niyan. Ang mangyayari kasi sa skin natin, pag wala tayong melanin or kumonte yung ating melanin or melanocytes, no? Nawawala ng protection yung ating skin sa UV rays. No? So Sir James, ano ba nangyayari pag ina-atake tayo ng UV rays? So number 1 dyan is magkakaroon tayo ng skin disease. No? And what are yung ano yung mga skin disease na yun? Number 1 dyan is yung skin cancer. No? Kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng skin cancers because nawawala yung ating melanin or nawala totally yung ating melanin. Kaya walang nagpo-protect doon sa ating skin. No? And there are factors no kung bakit tumataas yung ating melanin or nag-increase yung level ng melanin. No? Once nag-increase yung level ng melanin, wala rin namang mangyayaring masama sa iyo. Tandaan natin, melanin is a skin cells po. No? Or melanocytes, it is skin cells. No? There are factors kung bakit tumataas. Number 1 kasi is pwedeng sa genes. No? Pwedeng yung lahi nyo, marami talaga or mataas talaga yung level ng melanin. Pwedeng hormones, especially sa mga babae. Diba? Second is yung UV exposure no? Or yung sunlight. No? It increase yung melanin production leading to dark spots. No? Kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon or bakit tayo umiitim. No? Nag-increase kasing level once na ng melanin once na tayo ay na-expose sa UV rays or sa sunlight na tinatawag na. Yeah. So sabi ko nga si melanin is harmless naman no. Kasi ang pangit lang kay melanin no, nagiging uneven yung color ng skin natin no. Unappealing siya tignan, especially sa ating mga Pilipino kasi ang mga Pilipino po ay skin conscious or beauty conscious. 'Di ba? Kaya pansin na pansin natin no, pag meron tayong dark spots or uneven no yung color ng ating skin. No? Kaya si USANA nag-create ng 4-in-1 solution po para sa atin no. Kaya nabuo yung ating resurfacing serum o yung USANA Celavive resurfacing serum. No? Ayan, because it promote yung ating firmer looking complexion, no? By the way, yung ating resurfacing serum, no, it supercharge ng ahas and bihas na tinatawag natin o yung ating alpha hydroxy acid and beta hydroxy acid, no, which is i-discuss ko later kung ano ba yung alpha and beta hydroxy acid, no, ano bang ginagawa niya sa skin natin, no, with partnership with bakuchiol, no, that gives our skin a instant glow, no, and immediate softness. Ayan, those are the ingredients, no, kung bakit nagkakaroon ng immediate glow and immediate softness yung ating skin, no. Also, meron siyang advanced formula, no, to renew yung ating skin in a single step because of the 4 main ingredients na meron sa ating resurfacing serum, no. Also, it reduces the appearance rather of fine lines and wrinkles. Actually, as we age kasi, di ba, normal na nagde-decrease yung skin barrier natin, no, kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng fine lines and wrinkles, no. It reduces also the appearance of blemishes and the appearance of pores na tinatawag natin. Also, as we age kasi, no, normal yun na lumalaki yung pores natin. Pag lumaki kasi yung pores natin sa face, doon tayo nagkakaroon ng dehydration sa face. Kaya most probably nagda-dry yung ating face, yung ating skin doon sa mukha. No? Ayan. So ito yung ating 4 key ingredients, no, na meron sa ating resurfacing serum. Number 1 dyan is yung ating alpha and beta hydroxy acid. We use 12% concentration ng ating AHA and BIHA complex. No? Also, we use peptide complex. No? We use 6% peptide concentration using nonapeptides and acetyl tetrapeptide 40. Also, we use 2% concentration ng niacinamide and 1% concentration ng bakuchiol. No? Ayan, so discuss natin, no, kung ano ba yung ginagawa ng each key ingredients dun sa ating balat or sa ating skin face or doon sa balat nga natin. No? Number 1, yung ating alpha hydroxy acid o yung AHA na tinatawag natin. No? Alpha hydroxy acid kasi are a group of water-soluble acid. Tandaan po natin yung water-soluble acid. No? Though commonly used naman na siya na ginagamit sa mga skincare products, no? Kasi yung ating alpha hydroxy acids, specifically yung ating mandelic acid, no, we use mandelic acid po. Meron siyang exfoliating properties, no, na tumutulong para ma-remove yung ating mga dead skin cells, no. And also it promotes yung ating cell turnovers, no, para ma-improve yung texture ng ating skin appearance, no. Yan yung water soluble acid kasi na tinatawag natin, no. Some other skincare products kasi or some other luxurious skincare products na merong available sa market, no, they use fat soluble acid po, no. Unlike sa ating resurfacing serum, we use water soluble acid, no. Pag sinabi nating water soluble acid, easily dissolved siya by water, no, madali siyang matanggal using water, no. Yan yung isa sa mga advantage, no, kung bakit water soluble acid yung ginamit natin or yung AHA yung ating ginamit, no. Madali siyang matanggal sa using water and wala tayong magiging problema when it comes sa storage ng ating product, ng ating resurfacing serum. Yung other skincare products kasi na available sa market, they use fat soluble acid. And fat soluble acid po kasi is very sensitive, number 1 sa temperature and storage, no? Kaya mapapansin ninyo kung nakabili na kayo ng other luxurious skincare product or mga high-end skincare product, kailangan silang ilagay sa ref. No, kailangan silang ilagay sa malamig na storage. No, kasi pag hindi po, masisira yung mismong ingredients and ang fat soluble kasi mabilis tubuan ng bakterya. No, instead na kung hindi natin siya malagay sa proper storage, instead na yung mismong product or ingredients pa yung pinatahin natin sa mukha natin, yung bakterya na po yung pinatahin natin sa mukha natin. No? Pag gumamit tayo ng fat soluble and hindi siya na-store sa proper storage. Ayan. And sabi ko nga kanina, di ba, we use specifically yung mandelic acid, no? Mandelic acid po kasi is meron siyang large molecular structure na tinatawag. Compare with some other skincare product na available sa market, no? They use glycolic acid, they use salicylic acid. Those ingredients po kasi ay merong small molecular structure. Sir James, ano ba yung molecular structure sinasabi mo? Ayan, yung once kasi na large yung ating molecular structure ng ingredients, no? mas dahan-dahan or mas slower siyang pumapasok or nagpe-penetrate dun sa ating skin. Tandaan po natin, especially sa mga sa balat, or, no, the slower the penetration sa skin, the lower po yung irritation na mangyayari sa skin natin. No? Kaya yung ating resurfacing serum, no, pwede siya sa kahit anong types ng balat. No, pwede siya sa oily, sa dry or sa sensitive. Pwede po yun. Kasi we use large molecular structure ng mandelic acid. Ayan. Next ingredients po natin is we use 6% peptides. No, we use two specifically peptides, no, yung ating acetyl tetrapeptide 40 and yung ating nonapeptide 1. No, though si acetyl tetrapeptide 40, no, siya is isang synthetic peptide na ginagamit sa madalas nang ginagamit, no, sa skincare product, no, yung ating acetyl tetrapeptide 40 because nag-age siya, no, or ini-strengthen niya yung skin barrier natin, no. As we age po kasi, tandaan natin, no, naturally, numinipis talaga yung skin barrier natin. And pag numipis po yung skin barrier natin, mas mabilis lumabas yung moisture, no, nadi-dehydrate yung ating skin. Kaya po nagiging dry. And pag nag-dry skin natin, mas mabilis siyang kapitan ng mga bakterya. Kaya tayo nagkaka-acne breakout. No? Ayan. Ayan, si acetyl tetrapeptide 40 kasi pinapakapal niyan or tumutulong yan na pakapalin yung ating skin barrier para ma-keep hydrated yung ating skin. And one cause pa ay or isa pa sa dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng redness sa skin natin because na luminipis yung skin barrier natin and nagkakaroon tayo ng telangiectasia na tinatawag natin. No? So James, ano ba yung telangiectasia? Yan po yung tinatawag nating spider vein, no, yung dito sa mukha, no, yung maliliit na vein. No, yun po yung telangiectasia na tinatawag natin or yung small blood vessel. No, siya yung nagko-cause ng redness sa face natin. Nagkakaroon lang po ng telangiectasia pag numinipis, ulitin ko, pag numinipis yung ating skin barrier. With acetyl tetrapeptide 40 po, pinapakapal niyan yung skin barrier natin para matago, no, yung ating small vein or yung ating spider vein and makip yung ating makip yung pagiging hydrated ng ating skin. No? Tandaan natin, ang susi po sa magandang balat ay to keep your skin hydrated. No, wala na pong iba. I-hydrate natin. No? The problem lang kasi kung bakit hydrate tayo ng hydrate, hindi pa rin gumaganda yung balat natin. It is because po manipis na yung skin barrier natin. Kahit anong hydrate dyan, no, mabilis lumalabas yung moisture, no? Kahit anong hydrate natin, mabilis lumalabas yung moisture, nagiging dehydrated pa rin po. So before natin i-hydrate yung ating skin, make sure na maganda yung ating skin barrier, no? Ayan. Next is yung ating nonapeptide 1, no, na tinatawag, no? Some other product kasi hindi nila ginagamit, no, yung nonapeptide 1 or they use other peptides. No, compare with our resurfacing serum, no, we use nonapeptide 1 po. Ano bang ginagawa Sir James ng nonapeptide 1, no? Yung nonapeptide 1 po kasi it reduce dark spots, no? Siya yung nagre-reduce ng dark spots dun sa ating skin. Some other skincare product kasi they use, sabi ko nga, other peptide, no? Yung ibang peptide po kasi ang ginagawa nila, pinapatay nila mismo yung melanocytes. Pinapatay nila mismo yung melanin. No, tandaan natin ang melanin or yung melanocytes po is normal sa skin natin and cell po yan, no? And cell is the basic structure, no, ng all living organism. No, pag isipin niyo pinapatay natin yung cells, hindi siya maganda, no? With nonapeptide 1, ang ginagawa po niyan tawag dito, hindi niya dinidestroy. Nire-reduce lang yan yung production ng ating melanin or yung ating melanocytes. No, yung nonapeptide 1, nire-reduce lang yan yung production ng ating melanin or ng melanocytes para hindi tayo magkaroon ng dark spots or yung hyperpigmentation na tinatawag natin. No? Yan yung one of the advantage ng ating product. No, we use nonapeptide 1 to reduce dark spots. Yan. Next is we use 2% niacinamide, no? Some other product they use kasi 3, 4, 5, 6% niacinamide, no? 2% concentration ng niacinamide is a perfect number po para sa ating skin, para sa ating balat, especially if you have sensitive skin. No? Some other kasi, they use nga 3, 4, 5% or concentration, mabilis ma-irritate na yung kanilang balat. No? So, tandaan natin, niacinamide is very concentrated po. No? Pag medyo tumaas na yung concentration ng niacinamide, mabilis nang masira or mabilis nang ma-irritate yung ating skin. No? Sir James, ano bang ginagawa ng niacinamide? No? Si niacinamide po yung nagbibigay nung or nagme-maintain rin no, ng moisture doon sa ating balat, no, sa ating skin. No? Some other products kasi they use hydroquinones, they use azelaic acid to keep yung moisture or para maging moisture pa rin yung or para ma-moist pa rin yung ating skin, no? Hydroquinone kasi, retinoids and azelaic acid po kasi is unti-unti nang tinatanggal sa system ng FDA, no, yung Food and Drug Administration kasi there merong mga risk factors or merong mga bad na ginagawa sa skin natin or not even skin, no, sa katawan natin yung hydroquinones, retinoid and azelaic acid. Kaya we use alternative, we use 2% niacinamide. No? Ayan. To help visibly balance yung ating skin tone and to boost yung radiance ng ating balat. Yan. So for our last ingredients, no, ito dito kami proud, no, yung sa Bakuchiol 1%. No, Bakuchiol po kasi is a phytochemical compounds, no, or madalas na siyang ginagamit, no, sa mga alternative medicine, especially doon sa China and India, no. Ayan. No, madalas siyang ginagamit as a traditional medicine sa India and China. So instead na gumamit tayo ng retinol, no, pinalit natin is Bakuchiol 1%. Though meron silang same, their study na same yung effect ng Bakuchiol and retinol sa skin, no? Nire-reduce nito yung hyperpigmentation or yung dark spots or yung dark color dun sa ating skin. And also tinatanggal niyan or nire-reduce niyan yung wrinkles or yung signs ng premature aging. No? Same with retinol. So Sir James, bakit hindi ginamit ang retinol? Bakit hindi natin ginamit yung retinol since mas mura si retinol? Sabi ko nga po kanina, no, sa ASEAN FDA, especially sa ating Philippine Food and Drug Administration, tinatanggal na po yung unti-unti nang tinatanggal yung retinol sa mga skincare products. No, bakit po? Bakit po unti-unti nang tinatanggal yung retinol sa mga skincare products? Number one kasi, nagko-cause ng or mataas yung level na mag-cause ng skin irritation ng retinol kasi sobrang concentrated yung retinol. And second one, no, during pregnancy po kasi hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ang retinol. No? If you have high concentration ng retinol or retinoids kasi, kahit topical lang or kahit ipahid lang sa skin, no, nagko-cross po kasi ng blood placenta barrier ang retinol or pwede siyang maka-apekto in short sa fetus, no, pag dun sa fetus sa dinadala ng parents, especially pag nagpapa-breastfeed po yung isang mother, no. Ayun, nagko-cross po kasi siya ng blood placenta barrier, no. Ayan, kaya we use Bakuchiol and there are study na safe ang Bakuchiol during pregnancy and breastfeeding. But tandaan po natin, hindi pa rin natin pwedeng gamitin ang Usana Celavier Resurfacing Serum sa pregnant. Masasabihin ko mamaya kung bakit hindi pa rin pwedeng gamitin yung resurfacing serum sa pregnant and a lactating mom. No? Ayan. So, ano bang ginagawa, no? O paano ba nag-works, no, yung ating resurfacing serum sa skin? No, with the combination of AHAS or yung ating alpha hydroxy and beta hydroxy acid, no, specifically with mandelic acid, no, sila kasi is a natural chemical exfoliator, no. If nakagamit na kayo ng resurfacing serum, no, mapapansin nyo nagkakaroon tayo ng micro peeling, no, maliliit na peeling sa balat natin. Compare with the other skincare product kasi nangyayari sa skin is nagkakaroon ng macro peeling, no? Malaki yung peeling. Tandaan natin, hindi po maganda ang macro peeling. No? Pag nagkakaroon kasi ng macro peeling, even yung second layer ng skin natin or yung dermis kasi natin is nadadamay, which is not good, no, pag nagkaroon ng macropeeling. Pag micropeeling kasi, yung mga dead skin cells lang yung natatanggal. No, yung epidermis or yung first layer lang ng skin ang natatanggal sa micropeeling, which is yun yung ginagawa ng ating resurfacing serum. Ayan. Yan, it targets yung skin surface, not to exfoliate. And also together with the ingredients, no, it promotes smoother, younger looking skin by breaking down nga yung dead skin cells, no? Yung dead skin cells kasi nandoon lang yan sa first layer ng skin natin, sa epidermis na tinatawag natin. Ayan. So ito, no, discuss ko lang rin no, kung paano gamitin yung ating Usana Celavive Resurfacing Serum. No, number one, syempre, mag-cleanse muna, no, linisin muna natin yung ating face, no, bago tayo mag-apply ng resurfacing serum. No, use a gentle cleanser, no, para ma-remove yung dirt and oil or makeup, if you have makeup, no, dun sa ating mukha. Diba? You can use naman any cleanser na available sa ating Usana Celavive, no? If you have dry, if you have oily, or if you have combination, pwede natin gamitin any cleanser na pwede po sa'yo. No? Ayan. And yung pag-apply naman ng toner, no? Optional naman yan. If you want to apply toner, pwede naman po. And if hindi mo gusto mag-apply ng toner, pwede rin naman po, no? After you cleanse, punta na tayo dun sa pag-apply ng ating Celavive Resurfacing Serum, no? Tandaan po natin dito, sa mga naunang gumamit ng resurfacing serum, maraming nagkamali dito, no? Apply P size lang po nung ating, or P amount lang nung serum, no? Konti lang po, drop lang, patak lang, kumbaga, no? Kasi concentrated na po yung ating resurfacing serum, no? Yung iba kasi in-apply nila sa palad nila, no? Tapos hinilamos po nila. Tandaan po natin, hindi natin pwede ilamos yon, no? Gently pat the serum sa ating face and neck, no, using yung fingertips. Yung iba kasi lumapit sa akin, Sir James, bakit nagka-breakout ako? Bakit iba yung effect sa akin? Bakit nagkaroon ng tingling sensation? Tinanong ko, paano po ba natin in-apply yung resurfacing serum? Hinilamos daw nila, massage pa daw nila, no, habang ina-apply nila yung resurfacing serum. No, gently pat lang po. And hayaan natin na yung ingredients ang kusang pumasok dun sa pores ng ating face. No, ayan, avoid rubbing too hard para hindi ma-irritate yung ating skin. And give the serum couple of minutes. No, hayaan nating ma-absorb muna before tayo mag-apply nung other products na gusto nating i-apply. No, after a couple of minutes, no, mag-apply tayo ng moisturizer. No? Any moisturizer naman available sa ating Usana Celavive, pwede nating apply. Especially po, no, mas maganda kung mag-a-apply tayo ng moisturizer with SPF, especially pag tayo ay lalabas, no, sa umaga. So, mas maganda pa kung mag-a-apply tayo ng moisturizer na merong SPF kung umaga natin gagamitin yung ating resurfacing serum. Discuss ko rin later kung bakit. No, but ito yung result, no, nung ating when you apply na, no, yung ating Usana Celavive Resurfacing Serum. It reduced the redness, no, visible redness, no, or yung telangiectasia. If makikita niyo dito sa before, no, meron siyang redness, yan yung telangiectasia na tinatawag or sinasabi ko kanina. No, yung small vein or spider vein. No, sa before kasi manipis pa yung skin barrier niya, kaya visible pa yung redness yung telangiectasia. After you apply, medyo nawala na yung redness or yung telangiectasia kasi kumapal na yung kanyang skin barrier. No? It improves yung skin tone and yung luminosity. It reduces rin also yung the appearance ng fine lines and wrinkles. Kung makikita nyo dito sa right picture, no? Ayan, very obvious, no, na nabawasan yung fine lines and yung wrinkles, especially yung pores. 'Di ba medyo lumiit yung pores. Ayan. Ayan. So down with our last slides, no, yung mga frequently asked questions, no, pag gumagamit or before using the Celavive Resurfacing Serum, no? Sabi dito, can you use resurfacing serum with vitalizing serum? Yes po, no. Pwede po tayong gumamit or we recommend using resurfacing serum first, no, bago tayo mag-apply ng vitalizing serum, no? But we recommend kahit isang vitalizing serum lang yung i-apply natin, no? Kahit hindi tayo mag-apply ng 2, 3, 4 vitalizing serum, okay na po yung isa, or much better if yung resurfacing serum na lang po, no? Para hindi natatabunan yung effect, no? Or para hindi mawala, no? Or mabawasan yung effect ng ating resurfacing serum, no? Ayan, next question. How often should I use resurfacing serum? No, we recommend po you apply twice daily. No, isang morning and isang night. But if sabi ko nga kanina, if i-apply nyo siya ng morning, much better na meron tayong moisturizer, and yung moisturizer natin dapat meron ng SPF. No? Para once kasi nag-apply tayo ng resurfacing serum, since ina-absorb niya, na-open yung pores ng skin natin, mas nagiging sensitive po kasi yung skin natin pag nag-absorb ng ingredient, especially yung resurfacing serum natin. So para ma-prevent natin yung pagiging photosensitive ng ating skin, mag-apply tayo ng SPF sa morning. No, ayan. And if you experience sensitivity or tingling during initial use natin, we recommend i-apply natin siya every other night na lang. No? Ayan. And if nakagamit na kayo ng resurfacing serum natin, if mapansin nyo na medyo mainit siya pag in-apply natin, normal po yun. No, yun yung effect ng ating niacinamide and ng ating alpha hydroxy acid. Na normal po yun. Ayan. Next is what make this product so effective. No? Sabi ko kanina sa mga sa previous slides natin, with the unique combination ng ating alpha hydroxy and the two peptides. No? Unlike anything on the market or available dun sa market, no? Upon application dun sa skin, no? Mafe-feel natin yung smoother and glowing, while long-term result will show improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. No? Sa mga first few na apply natin, pansin lang natin medyo mawawala yung redness, but long-term effect, no, or yung long-term result, no, doon na natin makikita na nawawala na or nag-i-improve na yung appearance or nag-i-improve na, no, yung skin natin, nare-reduce na yung fine lines and yung wrinkles. Next question, when can I expect to see the result when using this product? Expect the immediate soothing and glowing result after first use, no? It's because of our AHA, o yung ating alpha hydroxy acid and bakuchiol, no? With the nare-reduce kasi yan yung visible sun damage, yung appearance ng blemishes, reduction ng fine lines, and expect yung full result to 6 to 8 weeks, no? Pero depende pa rin po kung gaano natin kadalas gamitin yung ating resurfacing serum and kung tama ba yung pag-apply ng ating resurfacing serum. Yan. Next question, can I use this product when pregnant? Ito po, yung sabi ko kanina, no? We do not recommend, no, na gamitin yung product natin while or during pregnancy and while nagpapa-breastfeed po, no, yung mom. Pero safe yung bakuchiol sa pregnant and lactating mom. Bakit hindi siya pwedeng gamitin, Sir James, sa pregnant and lactating mom? It is because po wala pang specific study na safe sa pregnant and safe sa breastfeeding mom yung Celavive resurfacing serum. No, kaya hindi pa natin siya pwedeng i-recommend sa mga pregnant and breastfeeding mom. Siyempre doon tayo sa safety pa rin, no, nung consumer. Ayan. Yan. So for our last question, is SPF important when using the resurfacing serum? Yes po, no? 100% safe po, no? And sabi ko kanina, the use of AHA make the skin more UV sensitive, no? So during or if apply nga natin siya ng morning, mas maganda na mag-apply rin tayo, i-follow up apply natin na moisturizer with SPF. Ayan. Ayan. So if you have questions po, no? Feel free to ask, and if hindi nyo matanong ngayon, pwede nyo akong i-message sa Viber, Facebook, or sa aking email. Ayan. So yun lang po, thank you. I hope marami kayong natutunan, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa discussion ng ating Sana Celavive Resurfacing Serum.
Ayan, thank you so much, Sir James. Grabe, sobrang buong-buo, in-depth yung discussion natin tonight about our newest product, Celavive Resurfacing Serum. Na-appreciate ko na Sir James was able to highlight ano yung pwede nating ma-share na advantage to our prospective clients, di ba, with this product versus yung mga brands that are existing. Ano ba yung ginagamit nila? What makes us unique and different, no? So, thank you so much for that, Sir James. Highly appreciated. So, guys, kindly type in the chat box, okay, our thank you messages for our USANA corporate pharmacist here in Makati mismo, Sir James Lariosa. So thank you, Sir James. We'll be giving opportunity if you have questions. Sige, kindly type in me if you have questions para ma-unmute natin ikaw. Meron po ba? Ayan. Sabi ko na talagang yung pinakabata sa Core Edge, okay, joining us in the Zoom. Siya talaga yung may question on this. Ayan. So, ayan, Doc G, our professor in the house, our gold director from Core Edge. Ayan, Doc G, you may now unmute. Ay, wala daw siyang audio. Sige. Kaya bang i-type, Doc? Mga ano to, mga 3 pages to si Doc G pa naman pag nag-type. Ayan. Yung iba po, baka you also have questions, no? Gamitin na natin, i-maximize natin tong chance na to na nandito mismo joining us in the Zoom call, our corporate pharmacist. Ayan. Freckles. Covered daw po ba ang freckles sa resurfacing serum natin? Meaning, nakakatanggal ba siya ng freckles? No, Doc G, tama ba? Ayun. Nakamute ka, Sir James.
Ayan. Yes po, nakakatanggal po no, ng freckles yung ating resurfacing serum. No? Kasi freckles po, no, siya yung parang mga concentrated spots no, nung melanin or yung dark pigment doon sa ating skin. Kaya, di ba nga, sa discussion ko kanina, ang tina-target nung, hi baby, ang tina-target ng ating resurfacing serum is yung melanin or yung dark spots. No, kaya ayan, nakaka-remove po siya ng freckles.
Ayun, grabe, kasama yung freckles, which is common concern, I think, when you age, no? Thank you, Doc G. Ayan, meron question si Mads Felix. Since may micropeeling, nakakatanggal din po ba ng blackheads? Ayan.
And ang ginagawa po ng ating resurfacing serum, sabi ko nga kanina, ang micropeeling, focus lang siya doon sa first layer ng ating skin. No? Ang blackheads po kasi medyo malalim na, no? Yung tawag dito, yung pagka-implant nung mga oil, build up oil doon sa ating skin. Doon natatanggal niya pero hindi ganun kabilis compare with yung pag-exfoliate ng mga dead skin cells. Pero nakakatanggal pa rin po. Kasi baka yung other consumer kasi mag-expect na once may apply is matanggal agad yung dark spot yung blackheads. No, matatanggal pero it takes time kasi nga po naka-focus yung use ng ating resurfacing serum dun sa mga premature aging na tinatawag natin, yung fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, mga ganun po.
Ayun. Thank you so much, Sir James. Eto, sir, may humabol. Nakakatanggal po ba ng melasma? Gaano katagal o kabilis?
Hello?
Yan, okay naman, sir.
Rinig po ako.
Yes.
Hindi ko kayo marinig mo. Ayan.
Ay na po ba?
Ayan. Ang melasma po kasi, sige mag-ano tayo, mag-lecture tayo ng skin anatomy. Ang melasma po kasi is a common skin condition, no, na characterized by discol or patches, no, dark patches, no. Walang hindi siya nakakatanggal ng melasma. It is because hindi focus ng ating or walang ingredients, no, na tumutulong or nagtatanggal dun sa skin condition ng melasma. Pero it reduce yung dark, yung mga dark color or dark spots doon or yung dark discoloration around sa melasma natin, no. And ang melasma po kasi usually madalas associated siya with hormonal changes. And our resurfacing serum is hindi naman or it did not target yung hormones natin. It only target yung skin.
Ayan. So, mag-a-add ng nutritionals natin. Sir.
Yes, tama.
Tama. Pwede i-partner.
But it will help, ma'am, to reduce yung signs ng melasma. And also it prevent yung other skin discoloration na pwedeng mangyari sa atin during or pag tayo'y merong melasma.
Alright. Thank you so much, Sir James. Siguro, sir, ito, last two. In using resurfacing serum, is it mandatory to use all Celavive products in cleansing, hydrating, and SPF?
Ay, hindi naman po. Hindi naman si Doc po ba? Hindi naman po,
Yes.
Doc. Any product naman po, no, basta ang importante, no, when or before using the resurfacing serum, i-cleanse muna natin. Any cleanser naman po will do. No, it depends pa rin kung anong type pa rin ng skin natin. If you have dry, sensitive, or oily, or combination skin, no, you can use naman any product na applicable dun sa skin. Basta yun ang mahalaga. Cleanse muna before tayo mag-apply ng resurfacing serum. Nasa sayo na if you want to apply hydrating agent or SPF agent or product. Pero we recommend if morning nyo siyang gagamitin and lalabas kayo, no, we recommend gumamit kayo ng product na merong SPF para hindi ma-irritate yung ating skin sa sunlight or sa UV exposure.
Ayan. Thank you, Sir James. Sir, siguro ako na yung last na magtatanong.
Sige po nga.
Yung ating mandelic acid, yung bakuchiol, tayo lang ba yung meron na yon in the market?
Ayan, good
In terms
question
of
po.
serum, sir, ha?
Yes.
Kasi para at least talagang mai-highlight namin, di ba?
Yes, good question,
Yung
ma'am, no?
ingredient.
Actually, some other skincare product, no, gumagamit sila ng bakuchiol. So anong advantage ng ating resurfacing serum? Tayo lang po yung may combination na serum na merong alpha hydroxy acid combined with 6% peptide, combined with 1% bakuchiol, combined with 2% niacinamide. Yung sana Celavive resurfacing serum lang po yung may combination ng ganung product.
Ayun. Perfect combination. Ayan.
Yeah. Some other
Thank you
products
so
kasi
much.
they use bakuchiol lang. Some other products they use niacinamide lang. No, kaya ang tawag natin dun sa ating resurfacing serum is 4-in-1 action. With the 4 key ingredients and 4 actions sa isang serum.
Alright. Thank you so much. Sir, sorry, last na bigla
No,
ko
ma'am.
pop out sa isip. In terms of yung level ng skin structure natin, hanggang saan yung penetration ng ano natin, serum natin?
It penetrate naman, ma'am, down dun sa pinaka-deep layer ng skin natin.
Okay. Alright.
Pero nagpe-penetrate naman kasi doon. The difference lang with our other skincare product, mas dahan-dahan, no, mas slow penetration nun nung ating serum compare with the other product na mas mabilis yung penetration. Kumbaga kasi pag maliit yung molecular structure mo, pag mabilis siya nakapag-penetrate sa skin mo, mabibigla yung skin natin. Diba? Kaya nagkakaroon ng acne breakout. Kaya nagkakaroon ng tingling sensation. Kaya nagkakaroon ng side effect. Kasi nabibigla yung pagpasok ng ingredient dun sa skin. And tandaan po natin yung ating facial skin is one of the sensitive part ng skin. no, dun sa ating katawan.
All right. Thank you, super Sir James. Super appreciate your time and yung extension no to really answer all our queries. I think we are very much ready na ma-promote ito no kasi tama ba Sir James, this coming December 29 na po ba yun?
26 ang ano natin, ma'am.
26 which is a Thursday.
Ay,
Tama.
double check ko, wait. Hindi alam na. Ang final po natin, ang launch ng ating
I mean, sir, yung ano, yung parang merong
Blood lunch.
pre-order.
opo, yung
Tama ba?
order ay kailan ba? Sorry si Ma'am Justin kasi ang mag-aano nito eh.
Ito, nakita ko na, sir. December 29.
29, yes.
Ayan.
Yan. Kaya abang-abang na kayo.
Okay, correct. Kasi
December 29.
at least ano na natin, na-capture na natin yung importance ng mga ingredients, yung combination na meron dito sa ating resurfacing serum. It's a Monday. So meron pa tayong Tuesday hanggang Saturday to
Yes, correct.
really promote this, no? And pagdating ng Sunday, talagang add to cart galore na tayo, di ba?
Yes.
Ayan. So, online pre-selling for all ito. And I think this is through customer service. So, this can't be done through the hub. Kailangan, I think, i-call ito. Tama ba, Sir James?
Yes, pa.
Ayun. So, thank you so much again, Sir James. And as our sign of our thank you, no, of our gratitude, can we open our cameras? Ayan, para makapagpa-picture tayo, makapag-photo op with our corporate pharmacist, Sir James Lariosa. So, thank you again, Sir James. And guys, taking photo in 3, 2, 1. And smile! Ayan. Pakita natin yung luminous skin natin. Thank you so